You wake up one morning, and everyone is gone. No texts blowing up your phone, no traffic noise outside, just dead silence. Bro, what would you even do? This is where it gets crazy. Imagine the whole world is yours. Every house, every store, every car. But there's literally no one left to share it with. No rules, no help, no plot armor. Just you versus whatever comes next. Let's say it happened overnight. No explosion, no zombies, no dramatic reason. Everyone just vanished. Now it's on you to survive. Here's exactly how you do it, step by step. No cap. Step 1, don't panic. Mental survival. First 24 hours, your brain is going to short circuit. That's normal. Low-key, most people would freak out, run around screaming, or just sit there in shock. But here's the move. Breathe. Sit down. Remind yourself you're still alive, and that's already a win. Panic burns energy and makes dumb mistakes. Talk to yourself out loud. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it keeps you grounded. Or blast some music from a store you borrow from. The main character energy you need right now is calm focus, not main character meltdown. Pro tip, write stuff down. Keep a journal. It sounds small, but when there's no one to vent to, getting thoughts on paper stops your mind from spiraling. Step 2, secure the basics. Water, food, shelter. Rule of threes, bro. You've got about 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food, but only 3 hours in bad weather without proper shelter. Priorities matter. Hit up the nearest grocery store or gas station first. Grab as much bottled water and non-perishable stuff as you can. Canned food, energy bars, dried pasta, rice. That stuff lasts years. Don't sleep on juice and soda either. They count for hydration early on. For shelter, don't overthink it at first. Your own place is fine, or find a solid house on higher ground with good locks. Avoid huge buildings. Too many things can go wrong with elevators or structural stuff later. Fortify it a bit. Block weak windows. Keep doors secure. You're not hiding from people anymore, but weather and animals don't care. Step 3, power and communication. Power plants aren't going to run themselves forever. Electricity might last a few days to weeks depending on where you are, but it's going to flicker out. Stock up on batteries, flashlights, and portable chargers while stuff still works. Grab solar-powered gadgets if you can find them. Generators are gold. Raid a hardware store for one and plenty of fuel. But remember, gas goes bad after a while, so use it smart. Communication? Phones and internet are dead without people maintaining the towers. So think old school. Radios, walkie-talkies, or even just a good old notebook for your own records. You might not find other survivors, but staying organized keeps you sane. Step 4, safety and threats. This is where it gets real. No more ambulances if you get hurt. A small cut could turn bad fast without help. Stock a massive first aid kit. Painkillers, antibiotics, bandages, anything from pharmacies. Learn basic stuff now if you haven't. How to clean wounds, set a splint, etc. Animals are the wild card. Pets left behind might go feral. Zoo animals? Yeah, that's a plot twist no one wants. Keep a weapon handy for defense. A gun from a sporting goods store, or even just a solid baseball bat at first. But honestly, avoidance is better. Stay smart, make noise when you move, and secure your spot. Biggest threat? You, yourself. Accidents happen when you're careless. Don't climb random buildings for fun. Don't drive like a maniac just because there's no traffic. Slow and steady keeps you alive longer. Step 5, long-term survival strategy. Once the easy stuff runs out, you level up. Move near a water source, river, lake, or set up rainwater collection with barrels from a hardware store. Learn to purify water by boiling or basic filters. For food, canned goods can last decades, but eventually you'll want fresh. Start a small garden in a backyard. Seeds are everywhere in stores. Fishing gear, basic traps, or even hunting if you're in the right area. Fuel and medicine will be your biggest long-term headaches. Stockpile what you can, but learn skills, basic mechanics, gardening, first aid. And here's the quiet truth. After the initial rush, the real battle is loneliness. The silence hits different after a few months. Keep routines, set goals, explore. Turn this empty world into your own weird adventure. Read every book you want. Drive whatever car you dreamed of. Build something just for fun. So, if you woke up tomorrow and realized you were the last person alive, would you panic first or start raiding the supermarket? Drop your plan in the comments. I'm curious what you'd do differently. At the end of the day, surviving isn't just about food and water. It's about not losing yourself when there's no one left to remind you who you are.